Learn about Tirangaa. Learn with us, kids. The journey of national flag. Facts briefly about Indian national flag. The national flag is a horizontal tricolour of deep saffron, Kesari, at the top, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. The ratio of the width of the flag to its length is 2:3. The national flag of India was adopted in its present form during a meeting of the Constituent Assembly held on the 22nd of July 1947, when it became the official flag of the Dominion of India. A tricolour flag was first accepted by the Indian National Congress in 1931, having chakra in place of today's chakra. Saffron color shows courage, sacrifice, and renunciation. White color shows truth and purity in thoughts, and dark green is a symbol of life, prosperity. A wheel, chakra, in the center of the white stripe is the symbol of progress and movement. It has 24 spokes. The national flag of India, by law, is to be made of khadi, a special type of hand-spun cloth of cotton or silk made popular by Mahatma Gandhi. Supreme Court declared the right to hoist flag as the fundamental right under Article 19, IA, of the Constitution in 2002. The flag was designed by the Pingali Venkaiah, an agriculturist and Indian freedom fighter. The flag was hoisted first time by Sachendra Prasad Bose in 1906 in Calcutta and later on in the year 1907, as another tricolour flag was unfurled by the Madam Bhikaji Kamai in Stuttgart. The first flag committee was headed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The right to manufacture the national flag of India is held by the Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission, who in turn allocates it to the regional groups. Code of Conduct for National Flag. Being a national symbol, it is respected by every Indian. There are certain do's and don'ts laid down for common people regarding the Indian flag. When the national flag is raised, the saffron color band should be at the top. No flag or emblem should be placed either above the national flag or to its right. All other flags to be placed to the left of the national flag if they are hung in a line. When the national flag is carried out in a procession or parade, it shall be on the marching right or in front of the center of the line. If there is a line of other flags, the national flag or any imitation of it must not be used for the purpose of trade, business, or profession. The national flag should always be taken down in the evening at sunset. Respect the national flag. Do not use the flag as toy. Do not let the flag fall on the ground. Use plastic flag against the law. Do not wear clothes with color of flag. Do not paint the flag on face. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Learn with us, kids.